Hi, my name is Class Inspector. Today, inspecting this Range Rover for you. It's a 2017 model. So, regards to bodywork, right? All the readings on the rest of the bodywork has not been resprayed apart from the front bonnet and the front bumper, as there's a very fine mismatch on a front bumper, so it had some repairs. Regards to, yeah, that's around 300 microns. Consider to being repaired to the good standard. There's a few gap issues. That wing is a bit in, and this is slightly sticking out. It's not perfect, but for the age, I will consider satisfactory, right? It's good alloys, good, some detailed scuff marks on a wheel itself. Regards to brakes as well, it's about between 50 to 61 left on pads, and the discs has fair wear and tear. Replace the discs on next pad replacement. Regards to scratches, you will see in the pictures there is one tree branch mark quite long on this side. Rest of it is good for the age, etc. Regards to water leaks, you mentioned, I haven't found any evidence on the footwells or in a boot area. There are some age-related sort of marks present. I added a few pictures. This very fine sort of very fine ding scratch type in this section. Front bumper has few stone chips, again in line with the age. There's two chips which looks like being repaired on it, so but it's advisory. Regards to interior, there are fair wear marks present on our leather seats. You can see them, and on that side, consider age related. So there's a few marks on our door cards. Also a bit of wear on a front seat, and some marks visible where again in line with the age. Mileage, that is, and some stain marks and some wear marks on this door card is more affected. That is sort of the vehicle. Regards to air suspension, the rear right is sinking and front left as well is slightly low. After the cold start, that was low and is low on a cold and while it was running. At the moment, and it also would not go up on a off-road mode, the rear section. So there's a fault codes for air suspension, the air compressor temperature too high. Regards to oil leaks, there was no recent fault clearances. 160 miles or 180 ago, because some modules don't have correct coding, so they had a terrain module replaced and it's not coded properly. That shows permanent fault. It's not coded properly. So regards, there was also oil cooler replaced. There's still a lot of oil which leaks sort of on turbos as well, so there's a bit wet. So the back and on underside, you will see in a picture there is an oil drip developing. So that's been done basically recently, So regards to that oil leak, I wouldn't buy the car unless everything is completely dry there, Other than that, I'm gonna go now for the road test and see if there's any drivability issues. There's also NOx fault permanent. I cleared all of them, see what's coming back, and we'll take it from there. So, yeah, so give me a call back once you view the report, and we can go through, I can answer all your questions. Thanks for using us.